Hey yo, what is up guys, it's Exotic Feeds here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube thumbnail on mobile with Fonto. Only one app which is completely free to download. So the first step is to go to Safari and then search up for a Fortnite video background. There's going to be a bunch. So for this video I'm just going to be using this one. So you just hold on to the photo, you press save image. I already saved it, so I'm not going to do it twice. And then you're going to go on to Fonto, which has a lot of fonts. And then you're going to press on the screen and then press photo albums. Go to all photos and then tap the background you chose and then press done. After this, you have your whole background which you can work with. You're going to tap on the stream, press add text, and then you're going to type in whatever you want to be in your thumbnail. So say, how to make YouTube thumbnail. Done. Okay, now this isn't the only thing. You can make it like this, press enter, and then it's like smaller, it's like it doesn't like go all the way into the screen. And then you could also change the font it has. So right now I downloaded 2 custom ones from thefont.com. It's a free website which you can download fonts for free. Or there's a bunch of fonts that this app already has, like all of these. Okay, so now you can press on style to customize your text. So you can do like, you can change the color. There's a bunch of colors, right? Or you can press style and then make like one letter, no, 1 second, you press on create color pattern, and you can like make one letter, every one letter black and every one letter white. So then it can be like this. You can choose like whatever, and then you can also like choose if you want faded or not. You can choose which one. But yeah, and you just press apply, then it's like simply done. Super easy. Or you can press on style and then make it like look really cool with it looks really cool with these effects. You can tap on that one and then you like do this and then it looks really cool. It's like a background. Or you can like have none of that if you don't want anything like that. But I would suggest like you can like move it around like that. It's like the same thing but like behind it. You can choose which way you want to go. Or here you can like choose if you want it to be like really like blurry or like not. Or you can also underline your text with all these underlines right here. And you can also make like some spacing. You can have that, or like if you don't want them really close to each other, you can just do a little bit like that. Or you can like make them into each other like that. Okay? So yeah. Thanks for watching my video. This was a really simple guide on how to make a YouTube thumbnail. And yeah, thanks for watching.